this area fused, and you make pattern for this. Then it will be fused here as well, fused like this. When you insert zipper, seam will be open, yes? Then press in this way, like fold portion of the seam here, and then press on a one side, like direction of the vent. This is ready, but I make mock-up just for vent. It's yoke here, you understand? Then you have to prepare lining as well. Remind you, lining should be 1 inch shorter. And here I make print, it will be face of the lining. Then hem of the lining should be finished. You have to fold under to incorrect side of the fabric, half an inch, and put stitch by machine all around. Then when you stitch center back seam, then stitch like this and keep unstitch our seam allowance on the left and right part of the back. It's clear, yes? Then when you stitch lining, it will be absolutely, if you look from inside, our hem on a self will be turned inside, and on a lining it will be turned inside as well. And then it will be face of the lining, look at your body, and self of the our skirt body, and lining should be match wrong side to wrong side. Lining we have to stitch here, it will be opening for zipper, and you have to put around a zipper. You can use a hand stitch. And then you have to stitch our seam here, two corner, then turn under machine and clip corner on this part of the lining, and then come to this point and keep unstitch our seam allowance. Then total what will be unfinished here, seam allowance here and seam allowance here. And then problem will be solved, because you have to stitch this seam allowance with lining and this seam allowance with another portion of the lining. And that's it. It's very easy. Two pieces ready. You have to insert zipper and finish waistline. And that's it. When you finish zipper, I just warning you. And I give you link how you can insert invisible zipper. Then open and see. But right now, it's a lot of different sources. I see sewing video on a Facebook, on a Instagram, how insert the zipper. You know what, right now, it's not like before. You can open and found on the internet everything. But what you have to remember, our invisible zipper should be 1 inch longer, not less, even more, but 1 inch should be longer than zipper opening, because we have to attach one side, another side, and then we have to bring our zipper pull on a correct side. Then it should be between two pieces of the zipper, like small loop. Then sometimes you can buy a zipper like size do you need. For example, if our zipper opening 7 inches, then you have to buy zipper 8 inches or even 8.5. If you don't have correct size of the zipper, then if you take a look on a zipper, on a top, you have zipper stopper here. It can be plastic or it can be metal. Then don't cut zipper here. What happened? It's at least 5-6 students in a class come to me and crying, I have to insert zipper again because zipper pull come out. It's impossible put it back. Then you have to keep this part. And you have to measure from here exactly. Measurement plus, for secure, even an inch and a half. And then you have to make like hand bar tuck and hold together. Close the zipper, make hand bar tuck, like fold thread twice or even 4 times and make bar tuck and then cut. Then it's never happen. Then zipper pull come out and then you will be cry and you have to do it again. Then when you attach zipper, it's zipper stop here and then 1 inch of the tape will be here. Then don't cut again because it will be framed and then it will be visible on the correct side. Just fold it and try put inside of the yoke. It's clear, guys? Forget about a hook. You can skip this stage. Just insert zipper. It's clear. Then I'm not requested use regular zipper because for skirt in the industry we use invisible zipper. Then you have to learn how you can do it. This. I don't know. Maybe you take sewing classes, and it should be like lesson with zipper application. But I don't know who take this or not. It's clear, guys. Then don't forget, if you stitch dart here, intake of the dart inside of the skirt should be look to center back. When you attach yoke, body should be under and yoke on the top of the sewing process. Then it's here will be natural shearing, which you never see. It will be invisible after you press this. It's clear, guys? Then don't forget, this part should be fused. And you have here double notch, then from lower notch, 1 inch down, it should be portion of the fusible. Because you prevent stretchiness, fraying of the fusible. Then it can be different fusible application. Some books and videos show you when you insert zipper for left and right and then stitch center back seam. Don't do it this, don't follow this, because it's very... Attach this and you can see when stitching finish here and I put it together and then I just pin it, but you have to stitch. And seam allowance will be available from both pieces, from lining and from self. Make sure when you attach, it's space between folded hem and lining folded hem will be 1 inch. Okay, then exactly 1 inch, and we stitch here. It's 1 stitch. One stitch. Okay. Right now we have to attach this to this part of the self. And again, it's seam allowance ended on a vent here and 1/2 inch seam allowance, and here should be space 1 inch. Then actually you can pin it like this and then stitch. Okay, I stitch here. And right now it's our inside part look like this. And now we have to finish our hem. Then this part which come under, we have to make like sandwich. Our hem should be folded and our lining should be between hem and the body and top stitch. Okay, stitch here. Then when we turn, it will be like this. Finish and accurate. Then in this part, opposite, absolutely the same. I take fold hem and our lining will be sandwiched between hem and body. And I continue my stitching here. Okay, it will be just one stitch and opposite side one stitch as well, and that's it. Right now I turn this on the correct side, make nice corner here. On the right side it looks like this. Everything clean here, and from inside it looks like this. Our lining here will be straight corner, lining shorter 1 inch than our self. If I put everything together, then on the left and right in level lining, because from here 1 inch and from here 1 inch as well. Then here you can put back stitch on a lining to prevent show up on the correct side. And here you have to put loosely tack. Loosely tack, and then it's hold it, and just in case it should be a little more flexible, then this shank help you a little bit, and it should be no stitch visible here. It's by hand, and it's absolutely the same what sample show you, and you can see right now how looks our sample. Okay. Absolutely the same. Easier. Just 2 lines you have to stitch, and that's it. It's my suggestion. Then its lining and self should be stitched together to this line and to this line only. Where is vent, shape of the vent here, you can see it's everything separate. Don't stitch together. If you follow this instruction, then it will be everything fine. It's clear? Everybody understand? Okay. Then if I hold this point and my notches for my zipper, I'm not insert zipper here, but anyway, then it will be is here. And then if you not hold lining here, then lining will be flexible, because anyway, when you see it or move, lining can be moved as well around the bottom. Any questions? Everything clear? Okay. Then everybody right now got sample, work on a sample, and put your name, and I check. I put here all samples together, then you can come if it's